Let's talk about a deaf person. Hey Ria, did you see Aisha today?
Yes, I did. She looked happy.
Yeah. But sometimes I feel sad that she can't hear us.
I know. But she is really strong and smart.
Yes. She understands everything by reading lips and using sign language.
That's amazing. I want to learn some sign language to talk to her better.
Me too. It will help her feel more included.
Do you think she feels left out sometimes?
Maybe. Sometimes people talk too fast, and she can't read their lips.
That's true. We should always face her while talking.
Yes. And we should speak slowly.
That's a good idea. She will understand better.
Do you know any signs in sign language?
Just a few. Like hello and thank you.
Wow. Can you teach me?
Sure. Hello is like waving your hand.
That's easy. What about thank you?
Just touch your fingers to your chin and move your hand forward.
Oh, I see. That's nice.
We can learn more signs together.
Yes. Aisha will be so happy.
She is a great friend. She never gives up.
Yes. She is so talented in drawing too.
I love her paintings.
Me too. They are full of colors and emotions.
Even though she can't hear, she expresses so much through her art.
That's true. She is very creative.
We should always support her.
Yes. And never let her feel alone.
Exactly. Aisha is just like us.
Yes. She only communicates differently.
And that's okay. Everyone is unique.
True. We should tell others to be kind to her.
Yes, some people don't understand her condition.
We can help them learn.
That's a great idea.
Also, we should be patient when talking to her.
Right. She tries her best to understand us.
Yes. And we should try our best too.
Let's always be her good friends.
Yes. Friendship is about love and care.
And understanding each other.
Aisha is lucky to have us.
And we are lucky to have her.
Yes. She teaches us so much.
Let's keep learning and supporting her.
Yes. Together, we can make her feel special.
And happy always.
Yes. That's what friends are for.